Ado satata. Ayandi libaso. Rakatayanda la la basuata. Aranta la bayanta la la. I am in a new season. I am in a new season. I am in a new season. And this season is a season of abundance. I hear a sound of abundance. Also for broadcast, I hear a sound of abundance. Then surely you dry. Can we now read from verse 42? First Kings chapter 18, verse 42. Me say now no being connected to Facebook. Also, I'm found in me doctor catch me. Medically he is right, but supernaturally he is wrong. So Doctor Biano the machine who soon and a brabane ebone you soon a dead who soon and dead who many. It may be offer me bed setter menya 43 years. Naturally who kasa one shall bet my kasima late. But supernaturally, spiritually, I am one of the young guys around. I am one of the young ladies around. Everybody can unveil me and they won't call one when and everybody bet me their mommy. I am in a new season. I am in a new season. I am in a new season. This same land and ye didn't come on once upon a time. So being nam crown kase me who Elijah be kona Elijah nyina ho. Me reading that passage, then I came to know say God had the ability, the power to hide. It's a guy now Obadiah Obeshia your friend say Elijah no catch and say ye chini asase swing over the here ye hu ewurade betimi de wasia onimpa hu and ye mu bi o ma ye say we are late but we are in that season ewurade DNSC it is a name though ye nyankopon eto da odi ye kosie da 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 da. If you baby ready DNC, stop cursing your stars. Stop speaking against your life. Brenata Brabana say, Brenata Meninje, Brenata, I feel like ending it all. Adwa opere. If you did West, our day of glory, a day of honor. Apostle Pastor shall say 3 verse 42. First Kings chapter 18.
I am from whom decade ye do watch it. Nijemu eduanai mienu ebase no. I say na afroko say orikodidi na wanom.
Tie. E kra ye timi ye kra for 3 years in zonto. Inti mwampo nya ne omobere. And Uradi asem through the prophet your friend Elijah bow in ho. E dru baby for opposition to nchene tie na Urade ka. My God. E dru baby for experience to nchene tie na Urade ka. My God. Or he need to enjoy and to have pleasure. He needed a word from the Lord. Me kenya me so no kra kire. Odafo. Ye mu bia wo. Baby ye gene ne no. Se Urade asem bia ma ye nchen a. One shot will break down. Then he got up to go and eat. Me catch you say they moved up, but Obiaso no yokoye. Abokwa didn't then na Elijah akwakoye.
I said na Eliade ofroko camel atifi na okokotu fam.
Osafo. Bakofo akosuru no kwako didi. Bakofo akosuru no kobompaye. You see one reason ti am catch you say eduru baby na Urade shirawa mama wo sofo etimoden. Once you are enjoying life, some of them they are not sleeping. As of Bioma was say won come Urade ba be mo aware no. Battle pia aba no so no. Ba wo de was esiwie wie ya. Ono so nko page manye. You know, eduru baby onyame ba. When you receive a prophetic word, the one who prayed for you, the one who prophesied to you, a true baby a care also about the well-being. This side there, me say Christopher baby pay. See me, also, I don't say me say your mom pay bro, not a genuine man of God. Me chiro, me come Bible, me preach Bible, genuine man of God. But me catch you say sow a seed, they me fake. I understand. Got up to go and eat. Elijah got up to pray. Yemubioma yense chidin ene yene yense chidin yemubioma sofu bi ode ne yefunu to obon pai mana and the breakthrough ne ba no so abro asore ne standard so oku re invest in wa bro methodist so o re invest in wa bro presby so enye obia enyewa and the baby odu ya no o suffer one naka bi ati say mu no menene nam kra me fere enye wo bia So Ahab he received instruction from a man of God, but surprisingly also from make it test. Ahab what Yasenam, but Elijah will be punished. And the picture of today believers in the city. Tama one kwabrochino. No be no jina Chimota Forest. All night be original. And no kwabrochino who see a Facebook live. Now, when you want a form on na debia na mpaibon nyobia. Wo ma me akom kire ne board or the commission house bi and abokwa ma. But atiye am I free. Your friend Ahab. Wo different assemble no say Ahab, sorry. Kona kodidi. Also, say if ye aduane wo fia. Do you need somebody to instruct you say kodidi?
Oh no.
Debi. Na fie ndwosa. Ebia na wura fie Ahab na yire. Your friend Jezebel. Ebia na wura fie send the economic situation wo kro o mind minute for 3 years in nto. Obi nya bi ni. Into abro share Elijah first. This is the word. Or say the one who troubles Israel. Church war in mind wo ahunye him. But then a word from the prophet said, Elijah, this Ahab, this is your time to enjoy life. Go and eat. Until kasa Ahab ya me bronata nko mi say no odifo wo so eda na abedi da bi. O say wo Ahab ni suba ni sell. Afi bi obesesa car so park or garage. Wo sofo na de bi obebo mpa ni prayer warrior shedi won achi. Obi ni pabo ato half but what dream maso. Maybe one day I'll print that message. Then Elijah climbed up to the mountain.
I say na Elia de ofruko Campbell atifi na okokutu fam na ordinary share
ordinity share ni nantem
koto jentam
ordinity share ni nantem. Can you try this? Obi o tie me bia especially wa wo fi. Can you try so do ti show nantem yen kramofo de ni bi wa kase fa oti bom fa bo for se fa oti fa show koto nantem. That was how serious the situation was. Send you no deep for a bomb pie, son and net. It was brought bomb pie also for what happened.
Bible says verse 43.
43.
Yeah.
43.
43.
But 43.
43. Na okacha na bofra ne say.
Na okacha na ko an say.
Froko koshe pofem.
Kona koshe baby enso mune emuna free ban.
Yeah. Na ofro koshe na obeka say hwini wo
was of your fancy you met was with different bomb pipe. There was no sign and she say so when am na so to and you automatic say so be pass asene so and you automatic obi ni intercession obi ni prayer obi na come kire obi ni nweta so and e release osoro and anapa me bomb pipe obi na so gumi so. May God open the heavens for your sake. Yes Lord. Osoro amount in the name of Jesus. When nipa bia ne sika semasa when nipa bia onam ahohia mu you onam ahokyere mu near for season of your life near wadura brabomu fa bia near ma nyina say and then I pray for open heaven. I pray for open heaven over your life, over your family, over your business, over your marriage, over your career. Eradim biesro and come se bia wate boss se bia wate and se bia aba akwaso. And I pray for manifestation. Everybody be a strong. Everybody be a strong. Also, if you be a receive prophecies, so many months, so many years, but then I'm a brother empire. And Radia will you empire. Everybody be a strong. Don't be deceived. Prophecy be automatic. It's either you are praying for the manifestation and then your then comes and man will bomb pipe for the manifestation. And you share can say me who say a radia choba who call ya them. It's either you pray it to manifest and then your son come to intercede. But what dear instead of praying or getting in touch for instruction, we can say me to 2 years in the and you're fake. And only there are things we don't teach. There are things also for cows, because one have a castle sick and open. Last Saturday, now Prophet Ebenadia program be now Prophet Kofi Oduro preaching. He made a statement. One of them called downloading him child. Come Shebi Oman was of so when share the directions Ebemana manifest.
Yes.
maso be yesi enyo no na me ka ne ma me nto aso osofo then osoma na koa ne se kohwe akoa ne ba de na kaminim se nko odifo di ne ti abutu fom no adi kan ka kira Ahab say I hear sound of abundance there obaba be ka kire say esu amuna Bible say no ba no say dey
Bible say no kan say hwini ho
there are days of emptiness there are season of emptiness but the fact say hwini ho nkire say hwi ensi nyame betima no pay the fact say prayer wo tie me hwi eni wa brabom nkire say hwi ensi wa brabom osofo minim nkom sawati o minim adi sama wanya minim da ya waso minim bossa wanyo but e bia na wutem hwini ho betie me adwo tie me kwaku tie me and chresa hwi ensi then what happened how many times no call
Bible say now say sane ko emprenson
7 times wakoba se hwini ho it is okọ third time ba na Elijah ka say wakoba se hwini ho ntime jampa ibo masore kwa and you movie that is the curve ayegina me twa urade anim 1 year me twa urade anim 3 months me twa urade anim 2 years into Mejai for 7 times the other day na Bible scholars be calculated the distance and you know na person me komune but okọ no aba nothing day no akọ no aba nothing day eduru ba bia wo nyeta so we urade anim ebie kwan ma eduru ba bia wo nyeta so but you we give up in time to do we give up in time to do menya 35 years have given up your baby bia ye obi kunu kra me ne be wo enye obia ene ne aten de menya ba ko bi atemachi a menya ba ko bi atemachi aye ye ne o kire we give up in time to do and don't give up 7 times Elijah was still in prayer Elijah was still in a place of prayer but who call all night at also 3 months where jam Bible ni tisha ne nantem 7 times and akwa no kobaye